Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a grilled cheese pizza. The ingredients that we're going to need today are half a cup of pepperoni chopped. We're also going to need 4 cups of Colby Jack cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 8-ounce packages of the crescent dough sheets. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is heat your oven to 375 degrees. Next we're going to take our melted butter. We're just going to add our parsley flakes in and also our garlic powder. And all you want to do is mix that until it's well combined. Next we're going to get a cookie sheet, and all you want to do is brush on your butter mixture. Make sure you get a large enough cookie sheet so you have enough space for your dough. And we're using about half of that mixture to brush on to our sheet. Next, we're going to take 1 pack of our crescent dough sheet. We're going to go ahead and open it and put it onto our cookie sheet. Okay guys, once you have your crescent dough sheet onto your cookie sheet, all we want to do is go ahead, grab some of the cheese and begin to place it onto our dough. Okay guys, once you have your cheese onto your dough, next thing we're going to do is take some pepperoni and just go across and put it all throughout. Okay guys, once we're done, we're going to go ahead and take our next roll of the crescent dough, and you want to fit it perfectly across the top. Okay guys, once you put the second can on, you may have to pull it like at the edges just to make it fit nicely. Next, we're going to go ahead in again with our butter mixture, and all we're going to do is coat the top nicely. Once you're done putting your butter mixture on top, make sure everything is nicely coated. We're going to go ahead and put it in our oven, 375 degrees, for 12 to 14 minutes, or until the top is nice and brown and crispy. Okay guys, here we have it after 14 minutes. Mine kind of got an air bubble, as you can see in it, but it's okay. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to cut it. Okay guys, all I'm doing is taking a pizza cutter and I'm just going to go down, and you're just going to cut it into a square and then diagonally. Okay guys, so here's your grilled cheese pepperoni pizza. What I did was put marinara sauce on the side. You can dip it in there. You can use your favorite sauce. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.